Hi friends, let's build Anna and Elsa's castle from Frozen. Emma's play zone. Let's start with the floor and 2 pillars. We also need a drawer for Princess Elsa and Princess Anna's clothes. And a purple teapot so we can invite our friends over for a tea party. Let's start building some walls. We also need to add some stained glass windows to make the castle magical. Let's also add some stained glass windows with a beautiful design. And a magical snowflake tree. Let's build the first floor, but let's not forget the front door. Let's add a table and 2 chairs so our friends have a place to sit at our tea party. It is time to build the castle tower. Let's add some more stained glass windows to make the castle even more magical. Almost there. Wow, a magical DUPLO brick that blinks when you press the button. We will put it at the top of the tower. It's time to add the balcony. One last thing, let's build a slide to make this castle fun. Here comes Olaf. He is very excited to try the slide. He thinks it is a lot of fun. Here comes Princess Elsa. Princess Elsa is freezing, so we better put her dress on. Voila! Princess Elsa says thank you. Here comes Princess Anna. Princess Anna is also freezing, so let's find a dress for her too. Princess Anna is still freezing, so we better put her cape on too. Much better. Princess Anna says thank you. Here come Minnie and Mickey Mouse. Princess Elsa and Princess Anna have invited them over for a tea party. Let's go inside, says Princess Elsa. Olaf wants to go on the slide again. He thinks it is so much fun. Let's go upstairs, says Princess Anna. Okay, says Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Yummy, the cakes taste delicious, says Minnie Mouse. The tea is ready, says Princess Elsa. Bye friends. Thank you for watching Emma's Playzone. Subscribe for weekly videos.